Click the link on the description to download this amazing software. Take the sting out of PC repair. Reimage PC Repair Tool is an online computer repair service which revives the life of your PC, restores peak performance, recovers Windows with essential fresh files. Start download now. Repair your computer with these 3 simple steps. 1. Scan. Start your PC scan for free. Review your in-depth analysis in a detailed scan report. 2. Activate purchase your license key and let the Windows restoration begin. 3. Repair repairs and replaces corrupted files, removes virus damage and more. 24/7 support. Our technical support team is ready to answer questions and guide you to complete repair with 24/7 email support. Full money back guarantee. If you are not happy with the repair, we'll give you your money back. Fixes every error, every crash, and every freeze. Specializing in 100% Windows OS repair. Repair the following. Repair virus damage. Restore, replace DLL files. Repair and rebuild Windows. Virus removal. Fix error messages. Optimize registry. Database of new, up-to-date replacement files. Stop PC from crashing and freezing. Peak-proof, completely private. Convenient repair at any time. Virus protection. Hardware repair. Patented technology. Reimage is the only program of its kind. It's not only a registry fix, PC optimizer, and an antivirus scanner. The Reimage technology reverses damage to your Windows OS, eliminating the need for reinstalling. Don't forget to click the link on the description to download this amazing software.